In this lesson, you're going to learn an intermediate fingerpicking pattern. We're going to use the thumb on the 6th string, the index on the 3rd, and the middle on the 2nd. So now what we're going to do is add a triplet rhythmic grouping. So we're going to play 6, 3, 2, and we're going to count them as 1 and You can also count them as triplets. So now if we apply that to a consistent pulse, we have 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and So again. Okay, so we're going to speed that up a little bit now. Okay, and as you speed it up, you start to feel this rhythmic grouping more. And one thing is you can also speed it up enough so all the fingers are being played separately, however they sound like they're connected. And that is seen very commonly in fingerstyle music as well. So again, let's apply this one more time with thumb on the 6th string.